Have you ever seen the long white trails that follow an aircraft in the sky? That's something called a condensation trail, contrail for short. They happen when the soot and the product of an aircraft's engine combines with ice crystals, forming water droplets, which creates clouds in very high parts of the atmosphere. These clouds can actually be quite harmful for the climate, as the heat energy that is radiated from the Earth travels up into the sky. It gets trapped by these high altitude clouds and kept inside the atmosphere, which contributes to global warming.